Hi, I'm Eric Pedley, and this is my app for the Congressional App Challenge, Posture Buddy. It's a website that reminds you to sit with good posture by giving you reminders when you're not. The target audience I had for the app were people who are sitting at their desk all day and looking at a computer, like people who work in an office, or right now students doing distance learning. I noticed that when you're sitting in a chair for a long time, it's easy to forget about your posture. So a way to fix that is to get reminders. The app works in two parts. One part is the browser that takes your webcam feed and sends data to a server, which sends back a prediction after using machine learning to figure out how your posture is doing. So part of the learning happens in the browser. It uses a TensorFlow.js model called BodyPix to make a mask of the image that will subtract anything that isn't a person from it. Then it sends that mask and the image to the server, which combines them, grayscales it, and also downscales it, and then sends it through a convolutional neural network that I wrote myself in TensorFlow. And that produces a prediction which gets sent back to the browser and displayed. So let's see it in action. You press the start monitoring button, and after a second, it will show you a prediction. Yep, so these two numbers, the prediction is how my posture is doing, and the average is how I've been doing over the last 10 times it evaluated my posture, which happens every time the number changes. So right now my posture is good as reflected in those numbers. If I lean forward and slouch a bit, after a second, we should see the number go up, which happens. And as you can see, it fluctuates, which is why I also calculate an average over time. And eventually, once the average has been high enough for long enough, it'll give me an audio reminder.
Sit up.
There we go. It tells you to sit up. And this also happens if I'm in another tab. So right now I'm slouching. You should hear the audio in a second.
Sit up.
There we go. It gives you reminders to sit up when your posture is bad. That's it. I hope you like my app. Thanks for watching the demo.